Page 74, Dublin Town. It's a jig type of dance, 6/8 time. Fun thing, we're counting eighth notes. So see eighth notes all over the place? It's okay because an eighth note gets a beat at the beginning. We got one sharp, it's in the key of G major, I'll just tell you that. Just all the F's are sharp, but it's here in the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, quarter note gets 2 counts. So rhythm-wise, shouldn't be a problem, I'm hoping. And you're not moving around, you're moving around a little bit. Look at the second line there on page 74. It's second finger. You got to come up with a hand because we've got an E up here. So you're kind of moving around a little bit here. And then at the top of page 75, you come down here. Page 75, second line, you're here. They're saying in the next measure, use fourth finger. I disagree with that. I think that's an error, actually. Just stay in this position. Use third finger on that. So, yeah. And the next measure, fourth finger's fine. I think that's an error. And then the third line, you come back up the way you were at the beginning. And the last line, look out. You're down here. You need to know what those notes, and then you're 2 measures later, you're up here. And the last note has an 8VA over it. And I recommend you just reach out here. You can move up if you want. You got time, I think. But I don't like moving my hand if I don't have to. So I just reach up. Left hand, keep the left hand soft. What we want to hear for the most part is in the right hand. So it's here, G and a D. And you're just holding these down. It's like bagpipes doing their thing. You get to the top of page 75, you're down here for a couple measures, and you come back. And the last line. Now you get melody for a treble clef. Here. And then bass clef. The note is written here in the last measure, but it's got an 8VA under it. Remember 8VA, if it's above the staff, you go up. If it's below the staff, you go down. Here, it's under it, so we go down. If your keyboard isn't long enough for that, you just play the lowest G you have on your keyboard. You adjust as you have to. And that's really all it is. Now, as a jig, it says lively. A jig is a lively, fun dance. This is a party song. Party song, but you got to learn it first and you gradually work it up because the beat's got to be steady. People are going to dance to this. You can't be hesitating. Dancers will fall all over themselves. You got to be steady. Dynamic wise, there's suggestions. Get to know the piece and feel it, and that's the right hand. Keep the left hand soft. Sort of loud. And then when you get up 75, they're saying loud. Okay, that's the right hand. Keep the left hand down. 2 lines later, you're back to. Then in the last line, you're starting out sort of soft. Get a little louder, not much. A little louder. Now on this one, you can use the arm staccato. It's boom. It's here. Don't get too vulgar with it. It's just loud. So let the wrist collapse a little bit. Don't make it harsh. It's here. Boom. Because it's very loud. Fortissimo. With an accent, so the line is the. Now that's not staccato here. Hold that out for 2 beats. That's staccato on that last one. Lets them know it's over. Go sit down. You're in the way. And that's the piece. It's a fun piece. Let's try it out slowly, just to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do dynamics. I'll give us 6 counts because there's 6 beats in a measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. 2. 6. Six. 6. 5, 6. 4, 5, 6.